Hey guys, so again, new day, crazy day. Bitcoin reached another all-time high around 75,407. Right here you can see really insane. Everything on Twitter and on crypto Twitter is bullish. You can see the Wyoming Senator Cynthia Loomis has laserized the Bitcoin laser. Here you can see we are going to build a strategic Bitcoin reserve. So everyone is bullish on Bitcoin because obviously Trump is bullish on crypto and he became the president. Elon Musk is talking about Dogecoin here and then. What else? Michael Saylor again the United States needs a strategic Bitcoin reserve. And here you can see why. You can see that Bitcoin surpassed the Meta's market cap. Meta's market cap is 1.445 trillion. Bitcoin surpassed that. Next in the list is Saudi Aramco. And you see the first place is gold. I think Bitcoin is much superior than gold. That's why potentially Bitcoin one day could see this market cap, which means that Bitcoin will be at around $700 to $1 million per Bitcoin if it reaches gold or maybe surpasses it. I don't see any reason why it shouldn't, because it is much more convenient and it is basically worldwide. It is not like gold. Gold is mostly for governments. This is basically the most guaranteed crypto bull run that will happen in 2025. Everything basically comes together with 4-year cycle, with global liquidity, with rate cuts, and now the USA president is bullish on crypto. He also said that he will fire the Gary Gensler from the SEC. And why that is big is because the SEC has been charging multiple crypto companies wrongfully, basically for nothing. Here you can see Uniswap got a big bump because, as you know, Trump will fire Gary Gensler. That's why most likely all these charges will be thrown away. That's why Uniswap pumped back where it belongs to be at $9 to $10. And lastly, BlackRock today had the biggest inflows in Bitcoin, 1 billion in volume in the first 20 minutes. Here you can see that's about what it does in full day, in the biggest days that it had. Other Bitcoin ETFs in the same boat, crazy volume. So set for record-breaking volume today. So this is really crazy. Everyone is buying Bitcoin ETFs. And the best part is that financial institutions can buy Bitcoin through ETFs. If people are talking about Bitcoin price going to 120,000, my prediction is over 200,000 right now, because everything is aligning perfectly. And as I am speaking, Bitcoin is reaching new all-time highs again, 75,368. I won't be surprised if we reach 80,000 this week. It is Wednesday. It will be really bullish if we can do that, and which will mean that retail will come here. And I personally will be starting to look out for small market cap altcoins. Right now, I'm still in the big top 100, top 200 cryptocurrencies because retail is not here yet. We need retail to pump these prices. That's why let's wait. Let's see what happens. I'm always tweeting on Twitter, I'm bullish on crypto. That's where I get all my news, and I stay active so people see why Bitcoin is pumping, why Bitcoin is going up. And I'm just trying to keep the sentiment that we will have another bull run. That's why I'm really bullish, and I hope everyone comes in this space in the 2025 and late 2024. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.